And you can buy all kinds of fun stuff from vending machines. Some of these are your lovely draft beers and all that stuff. Malt. Brewed for good times. And fun things. You can even buy smokes in the vending machine. Nice and handy. Then over here you can get a glass of water.
Oh, let's see if something's coming up.
Yeah.
French fries. That was hot. Too hot. Oh, it's in a box. Nice. And what do we got over here?
You got some dairy products. You got milk. Alright, you got milk. Yogurt.
Yeah, that's
Yogurt. Various teas. Straight tea.
Straight tea? Where's straight tea?
Straight tea right there.
I think that's just tea. As opposed to
milk tea.
It's just straight yolk.
Then you got your regular fun stuff like Fanta Grape Aquarius. Various coffees. And Coke, I guess, too. Like, makes sense in a Coke vending machine.
There's some more drinks.
Then you got keto, green tea, and Aquarius. Yay.
Okay.
Got some delicious yogurt. Beauty.